Now, which are the solutions of x squared? Okay, so it's a little hard to see what it is here, so I'm just looking from the solution. So x squared is equal to minus 5x plus 8. So first of all, if we are looking for the solutions, so the values of x that solve this quadratic equation, we are essentially looking for the roots. Sorry. So we want to first get this in a situation where it's equal to 0 in order to find the roots. So we're going to add 5x on both sides, and we're going to subtract by 8 on both sides. So we're going to get x squared plus 5x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now that we have this, we can apply the quadratic equation, which we know it as x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, our a, b, and c are the coefficients of our terms in the quadratic equation. I'm putting this 1 here because if there's no coefficient, there's always an invisible 1 right here. So that's our a, that is our b, and this is our c. Okay? So we're going to plug them in. So in this case, our b is 5, so we're going to get negative 5 plus or minus, and then we're going to have b squared, which is 5 squared, which is 25, minus 4 times 1 times c, which is minus 8, all over 2 times 1, so just 2. So we can write this as minus 5 plus or minus the square root, and then we know minus 4 times minus 8 is 32. 25 plus 32 is 57, and that's over 2. So this is essentially our solution. We have two solutions. The quadratic equation gives us both roots, and you would get the first root by taking this plus or minus to be a plus, and the second root by taking it to be a minus. So these are the solutions, and the same thing was done here, I'm guessing. Yep. So that is the correct solution. Good job. All right. That concludes this question.